Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental control. So let's scroll all the way down. Let's tap on it. And here we've got this graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 27 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can also check the unlocks and the notifications count. And basically we've got two different ways to check some further details. You can tap directly inside this graph and we will be transferred to this dashboard, which will allow us to compare the time spent on the screen in particular days. Of course, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of all apps which were used in particular days. Of course, you will be able to tap on the day you want to check, and you've got the exact time you've spent on the app. The other option is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, phone, camera, whatever. Let me pick the settings, and again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, so you can check the usage time of the app. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.